jump right into the box. Boring black Jumpman box, retail $110. Now, I know you guys don't care about the box, so bam. The Jordan 1 Low in the nothing but net colorway. Got that sweater style, Martin and Gina. You already know what it is. This design is super dope in my opinion. I want this colorway in a high version. I just think that would look super cool. I'm not a huge fan of lows, but lately I've been copying quite a few different colorways. There's actually been a lot of fire colorways in the low and the mid versions of the Jordan 1. So I've kind of been jumping on those just because Jordan 1 highs have been so hard to get lately. I've been taking L's left and right. Like, it's not even funny. So you gotta do what you gotta do. I've been able to get some lows. Now this colorway right here is a lot better than what I thought it was gonna be. When I bought it, I was like, okay, that's kind of cool. I'll test it out, see what's up. But once I put these on feet, like, these things are just straight fire. These are so tough. This colorway goes hard. The quality on here is fairly decent too. Like, this white leather up here is somewhat tumbled, which, you know, you don't really see on Jordan 1 lows. You got the back in black and tumble leather as well, black Nike swoosh. Then you have your fabric material in that nothing but net little theme. Looks like an ugly sweater, or like I said, that Martin and Gina style. A white tongue, 23 in red, Jumpman logo at the top, white laces. I think this would look good with black laces, but I think white's gonna be your best option, honestly. So I didn't even do a lace swap or anything just cause I wanna keep the white laces on here. And really, I'm just gonna be keeping these as a personal, just a shoe to wear, you know, here and there. That is one thing I do like about lows, is you just don't really care about them like you do a Jordan 1 high. Jordan 1 high, you're kind of all like safe. You don't want to crease them. You don't want to step, you know, mud, puddles, or anything like that. Jordan 1 low, you just don't even care. And I think that's pretty dope. And Jordan 1 lows as well as mids have actually been getting some resale lately, which is really surprising, but also really cool. So this shoe you can get for about $130, which right there, that's $20 in profit. As time goes on, I think the colorways are gonna get better and better, and people are gonna catch on and start reselling them. And as people resell them, that actually tends to make the market grow. It tends to make people want them more because the resellers buy them up super quick, and then all of a sudden people start panicking because like, whoa, these are selling out, I can't get a hold of them. And now they all of a sudden have this in their head that, you know, they need them. They need this shoe, they gotta go get it, and they're willing to pay resale. With resellers picking this up, reselling them, I think the lows and the mids are gonna start catching on, getting a lot more traction in the next year or so. But with that being said, let's look at these bad boys on feet.
This shit, I gotta do it. I see the opportunities, I'm my opportunist. Yeah, women skinny dipping like they all know this. Ain't they all come straight from money like they family Jewish. I don't gotta beg for me to get it, I only want it if I get permission. That's what you call consent. I slide in the whip and it's tinted. Every floor I gotta own, it's not rented. Ride about it, no limit. They ain't give a fucking how I feel, so I do not give a fucking how you feeling. Baby, cry me a river. Then I want your ass to build a boat, get some parasol. At least you ain't swimming with the motherfucking fishes.
Bam. The Jordan 1 low in the nothing but net colorway. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe. What do you think of this colorway? What do you think of Jordan 1 lows all together? Let me know all that good stuff. Now, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out. Today we're going over the Jordan 1 low in the nothing but nut. Nothing but nut. Wow.
Best believe it's getting done. Trust knowing but in God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Nigga, dumb nigga. I ain't never ran from none, nigga. I ain't about to choose a day to have a run with you. Tough on the phone.